Hi everyone, welcome to Friday Practice. On Wednesday, we explored how daily habits build progress. Today, it's time to apply those phrases in real practice. Step 1. Phrase in writing. Small steps every day. Write a short list of 3 small steps you can take daily. Example, read 1 sentence, write 1 word, listen to 1 phrase. Step 2. Phrase in speaking. Habit builds discipline. Record yourself saying, habit builds discipline, and explain how it applies to your life. Example, habit builds discipline because I study every night before bed. It's part of my routine. Step 3. Personal reflection. Morning practice sets the tone. Share how your morning practice affects your day. Example, morning practice sets the tone. When I read English in the morning, I feel focused all day. Mini challenge. Combine all 3 phrases into 1 reflection. Example, small steps every day help me grow. Habit builds discipline. Morning practice sets the tone for success. Great job today! You didn't just learn the phrases, you used them in writing, speaking, and reflection. Remember, small steps create progress, habits build discipline, and morning practice sets your mindset. Keep practicing, and I'll see you later today for our visual vocabulary session.